Hi friends, we have seen the food colorings in our last video, right? So today I'm going to show you how to make the play dough at home instead of purchasing from market. Hi friends, so today we are going to make a play dough and I'll show the ingredients for that first. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of salt, 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 cups of lukewarm water, and these food colorings are optional. I have taken these food colorings from our last video. 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil, vegetable oil or coconut oil also works. Now we'll on the stove. Take a large pot and then add all purpose flour, salt and cream of tartar and then mix it. After mixing it well, add 2 cups of lukewarm water. And then also oil. Then mix it continuously until it becomes non-sticky. See, the dough is ready. So this is non-sticky, right? You have to mix till it becomes like this and then off the stove. Now let it cool down and then I'm making it into 4 parts because I want to mix 4 colors. I want to make 4 different colors of dough. These are the colors. I'm mixing yellow color now. And the yellow color dough is ready. Okay friends, so I have mixed all the colors. One is red, yellow, and this is mustard yellow, which I have made from turmeric, and this is orange color. So I have made these 4 colors. Now take a Ziploc bag and then put this play doughs inside that Ziploc bag and then pack it tightly without air entering inside. Now you can store it in the refrigerator for almost 2 to 3 months. Similarly, I have packed all the 4 colors: red, yellow, mustard yellow and orange. Okay. So now children can play with this play doh and there is no harm even if they eat this.